Hi, my name is Charles, and I'm the developer of TubeTarget. This screencast demonstrates our application's end-to-end workflow, helping creators identify low-competition content opportunities through YouTube search analysis, and then streamlining the production and publishing of that content. First, our tool empowers creators to make informed content decisions. On the research dashboard, a user inputs a seed topic. For example, how to safely fry a turkey. Our application queries the YouTube Data API to analyze search autocomplete trends and result counts. This data is processed to generate opportunity scores, helping creators identify niches where they can compete effectively. We aren't just scraping, we are surfacing structured insights to guide strategic content creation. Once an opportunity is identified, the user moves to the video generator. Here, our application automates the production pipeline, drafting scripts, generating AI imagery, and rendering the final video assets, ensuring high-quality, professional outputs. Finally, the publishing flow. This is where we use YouTube API services to integrate directly into the user's workflow. The user authorizes their YouTube channel using our standard OAuth flow. When they're ready, they can input their optimized title, description, and tags. They also select a custom thumbnail. Our tool then uploads the finished video, thumbnail, and metadata directly to their channel. Here, I'm clicking Publish. And as you can see, the API request has successfully completed, and the video is now live on the YouTube channel I connected.